Good morning, students. Today is the second unit of finance unit another classes. Till now we have covered that is about the capital budgeting, the concept of capital budgeting, the need and importance of the capital budgeting. In the last class we have discussed about the need and the importance of the capital budgeting. So my dear students, today we will discuss about the process of the capital budgeting, and maybe that is one thing we have to say, that is techniques, the methods or evaluation of the capital budgeting if there will be the time. Okay. So come, we will hear that is what is this capital budgeting process. Okay. Students, how will you start the work of the capital budgeting? Because before we are going to the techniques, the evaluation of the capital budgeting, first of all you have to clearly understand that is what are the points it is, or what are the factors you have to consider while that is the capital budgeting is starting, or when you are thinking of the capital budgeting. My dear students, well, it is a very complex process that you know very well. Okay, it's involves the decisions of the decisions on the investment. Okay, and it is also, we have to keep the eye on the current fund, available current funds, and you have to see that is the how much we can accumulate or we can achieve the what that is funds, or that is the objectives of the business organizations, or returns from that investment, or from returns that is the from the current funds that we have invested. Okay, and we have to see that is the future, and that is because future is always uncertain, that we know very well, and you can ascertain that is what will happen in the future. Either it may be the loss, maybe the profit, it will happen to our the running business or not. That all the things you have to see it. So before I am going to this process, let us some procedures or factors which are highly essential while considering or talking about the process of the what capital budgeting. My dear students, first we have to discuss it, that is what? That is identification of investment proposal, two, that is it is screening the proposal, third, that is evaluation of various proposal, fourth point, fixing priorities, fifth point, final approval and preparation of capital expenditure budget. Sixth point, implementing proposal. Seventh point, ordinance. My dear students, in these cases or in this sector, we have to discuss about identification of the investment proposal. जब इन्वेस्टर या शेयर होल्डर्स या ओनर ऑफ द organization or anybody who will want to start the business or new project of the existing business, first of all, he has to identify or you have to put the question why I am investing my money in this project. If somebody is giving the project, maybe the management or maybe the shareholders or maybe the who are the owner, they have to identify the projects on the various techniques. Either there would be return, the project should be a long term. It's because they have to identify or they have an idea about the that is potential investment opportunities. Okay, and that should be originate from the management, from the top management, and they may come from the different rank of the worker. They have to work, they have to talk with the various subordinates, and that the project will be successful or not. पहले तो उसे प्रोजेक्ट को मालूम करवाना चाहिए. You have to identify first either I am investing, where I am investing, it is very fruitful to me or not. In the future it will be very helpful to me or not. That you have to identify it. Unless there is a no returns, why an investor or why an owner will spend so many capital to develop the project? Okay, so this is the first thing that is we have to identify whether it will be fruitful to the organizations or to that of the management or to that of the shareholders or to that of the investors. Okay, so that is identification is पहचान करने के लिए बहुत माने important है. Without identification we cannot see. Okay, what is the screening? जब they are investing their money, the various projects are there surrounding them. After identifying the investment proposal, where to investment, either it is be good or bad, that they have to find it. After that they have to screening. They will be deepening into the proposal. Who have sent the proposal to invest the money, they have to find whether it would be very good to me, because the financial experts are there, their business, those business knowledgeable persons are there, different with the help of the different experts, with the different जो कि managers, senior managers or whoever may be, they have to screening this process. They will find what the project is with them it will be fruitful or not. उस प्रोजेक्ट में, उस प्रपोजल में सच्चाई कितना है, उस प्रपोजल उनको बेनिफिट देगा या नहीं, कहाँ पे डिमेरिट होगा, कितना एक्सपेंडिचर होगा, वो भी देखना चाहिए। क्योंकि ये सभी जो कि कंपनी का एक प्लानिंग कमेटी होता है, द एक्सपेंडिचर प्लानिंग कमेटी, ओके। द एक्सपेंडिचर प्लानिंग कमेटी विल स्क्रीन द वेरियस प्रपोजल रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स। डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट से भी जो प्रपोजल आया ना, उसके ऊपर भी वो जो कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर प्लानिंग कमेटी उनके पास जो है, वो लोग स्क्रीनिंग करेंगे कितना दूर संभव है, कितना दूर ये सही है, ये सब आइडेंटिफाई करना चाहिए। अगर वो आइडेंटिफाई करने के बाद जब दे विल बी फुल सेटिस्फाइड एंड that is belonging to the corporate strategy, and after that the selection process will be started, okay. And then if the proposal is not good, if the proposal is not as per the committee, then it cannot be granted. So first of all screening करना भी जरूरी है। स्क्रीनिंग करने के बाद हम डिस्कस करना है that is the evaluation. The third point, that is the what? Evaluation of the various proposal. Okay, without evaluation we cannot give the green mark to the proposals. Yes, identify किए, स्क्रीनिंग किए, इसके बाद क्या पेन एंड पेपर में उसका इवैल्यूएशन नहीं कर पाएंगे? हमें कितना प्रॉफिट है, जो प्रपोजल है उनका बेनिफिट क्या है, हमारा बेनिफिट क्या है, सोसाइटी का बेनिफिट क्या है, ये सभी हमें देखना चाहिए, ओके। So capital budgeting is always related to that valuable, that is evaluate the profitability of the various proposals. Without evaluation, it cannot be sanctioned. That will move ahead. Okay. There are various methods are there. We can say that is in the coming days. We'll go on that, or in the next classes we'll go on that is or in the next topic, that is we'll go to the see that is what are the various topics in which we have to evaluate the various proposals, okay. Maybe the payback period method, maybe the return method, okay. जो भी यहाँ पे मेथड भी होता है हम डिस्कस करेंगे बाद में। सो इसमें इवैल्यूएटिंग करना पड़ता है कि दैट इज हमें इवैल्यूएट करना पड़ता है कि कितना प्रॉफिटेबल होता है जो कि हमें कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट करेंगे। जो प्रपोजल में, जो प्रोजेक्ट में जो नया बिजनेस आता है उसमें अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट करेंगे, इज देयर एनी प्रॉफिटेबल टू मी और नॉट? सो देयर इज आल्सो वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ द प्रपोजल, इंडिपेंडेंट प्रपोजल, contingent proposal, or maybe the mutually exclusive proposals. There are so many proposals out there. Maybe individual, maybe single person will see, only you have to finance it. Another, whatever the return that is will be the what, it should be divided proportionately. Contingent, in case of the emergency only they have to, if they require, they can find, they can, that is accept the proposals. Other mutually, that is sort of, that is 50-50 or 60-50, they have to work on the mutual act. That is the proposal. And that is also evaluation must be there as per the conditions of the project and the conditions of the proposal that the experts or the expenditure planning committee must have to decide whether the proposal must be taken or will not, or withdrawn from the proposal. Okay. So this is the what then, that is the evaluation of the various proposals. And another, that is the what is the fixing priorities. ये फिक्सिंग प्रायोरिटी का मतलब है दैट इज इवैल्यूएटिंग करने के बाद हमें बहुत सारा जो अनप्रॉफिटेबल होते हैं, जो अनइकोनॉमिकल होते हैं, उसको हमें रिजेक्ट करना पड़ता है, डायरेक्ट स्ट्रेट रिजेक्ट। जो प्रोजेक्ट में लाभदायक नहीं होगा, जो प्रोजेक्ट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को प्रॉफिटेबल नहीं होगा, जो प्रोजेक्ट इकोनॉमिकल नहीं होगा, अगर कंपनी का कैपिटल बजट से ज़्यादा होगा तो कैसे करेंगे? वो भी नहीं हो सकता है। जो भी होना है कैपिटल बजट को नज़र में रखकर हमें वो प्रपोजल देना चाहिए, और वो प्रपोजल को एक्सेप्ट होना या ना होना वो कमेटी के ऊपर निर्भर करता है। अगर उस प्रपोजल को अगर हमें क्या प्रॉफिटेबल नहीं होता या अनइकोनॉमिकल नहीं होता है, सो डेफिनेटली स्ट्रेट अवे दैट इज वी हैव टू व्हाट withdraw and another it is you have to find that is a various rank are there for the various proposal. Gradually we have to so many proposals are there, we have to accept it either that is not it is reluctant to take it or not, it is acceptable or not, that we have to take it, and we have to establish some priorities. Okay, then after considering the urgency or the risk or that is the profitability whatever may involve therein, उसको प्रायोरिटी देना चाहिए, उसको वैल्यूएशन करना चाहिए, उसको रैंकिंग में देखना चाहिए कौन सा अच्छा हो सकता है, कितना बेटर में हो सकता है, उसे रैंकिंग करने के बाद फिक्सिंग जो होता है प्रायोरिटी देने के बाद हमें सिलेक्शन कमेटी से बैठकर जो कि पैनल होते हैं कंपनी का जो प्रपोजल को रिव्यू करना, प्रपोजल को बार बार देखने के लिए, ये सब उनको हाथ में काम आता है, और डेफिनेटली दे हैव व्हाट that is one thing we have to see it. Very it is understandable and very that is a important job for everyone to identify this what priorities, whatever will be the options are there, they have to see it. Okay, and with the various examining the options they have to rank, and according to the rank only what happens they will accept the proposals. Okay, so another third is what happened, that is it will be final approval and the preparation of the capital budget. It is a very important. After what final approval and preparation करना, final approval कब मिलता है जाकर हम देखना पड़ेगा, implementation के proposal का पहले से ही final approval होना चाहिए, कौन देंगे, और इसमें से कैपिटल बजटिंग एक्सपेंडिचर बजट क्यों बनाना चाहिए, अगर नहीं बनाएंगे तो हमें भी बाद में नुकसान भी हो सकते हैं। देखो इवैल्यूएशन, आइडेंटिफिकेशन, स्क्रीनिंग, इवैल्यूएशन के बाद दैट इज द फाइनल अप्रूवल का पार्ट आता है। फाइनल अप्रूवल ऑफ प्रपोजल्स मीटिंग्स द इवैल्यूएशन एंड अदर क्राइटेरिया जो कि अप्रूव किया जाता है उसे कंसिडर करना पड़ता है। कौन कंसिडर करेंगे? दैट इज आफ्टर द कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर बजट। मैं एक प्रस्ताव दे दिया, उस प्रस्ताव क्या सहमति हो जाता है क्या? नहीं, उस प्रस्ताव के लिए हमें खर्चा को क्या दैट इज प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए, कितना खर्चा होगा, कितना मैं इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकता हूं, उसमें से मेरा रिटर्न कितना आएगा, या आई विल बी अप टू द बैलेंस और नॉट, वो सभी में देखना पड़ेगा, मुझे टाइम पीरियड भी देखना पड़ेगा। चलो सब कुछ देखने के बाद भी अगर खर्चा को नहीं देखेंगे, क्योंकि खर्चा भी 19-20 हो सकता है, अगर लॉन्ग टर्म प्रोजेक्ट होता है तो उसके ऊपर भी हम देखना पड़ता है, डिस्कशन करना पड़ता है। सो वी हैव टू सी इट एंड द कैपिटल दैट इज व्हाट हैपेन, द कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर बजट होने के बाद ही जाकर फाइनल अप्रूवल हो सकता है, क्योंकि बिना खर्च से कुछ भी नहीं। मैं बोल दूंगा तुमको भाई एक तुम्हारे पास इतना जमीन है, घर बना दो, और घर बनाने के लिए तुम्हें क्या चाहिए, घर बनाने के लिए कितना खर्चा होता है, ये तुम्हारे पास है ना? नहीं, अगर मैं दूं तो तुम्हें तो वो रिटर्न करना पड़ेगा ना? नहीं, मैं अभी दे दूंगा घर बनाने के लिए। अगर तुम्हारे पास कुछ सोर्सेस नहीं है, हाउ विल यू मेक अ होम फॉर यू, इवन though you have the land, even though you have the land, but if the financial sources are not good, or if the financial sources are not available, then how will you able to make a home for you? Keep it in the mind always. हमें जो भी बोलते हैं, जो भी प्रपोजल देते हैं, हमें एक्सेप्ट करने से पहले सोचना पड़ता है कितना खर्चा हो, कितना वो अमाउंट वी आर स्पेंडिंग, हाउ मच द कैपिटल दैट इज टू बी स्पेंड, दैट यू हैव टू मेजर इट। बाद में बताना नहीं पड़ेगा काम आरंभ होने के बाद। So इसलिए we have to make the this what happen final preparation of that is a capital budget. Then we have to give the green signal in order to start the proposals. Thereafter we will come to the what implementing the proposal. Implementing of the proposal का मतलब प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर के बाद जो कि कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर बजट प्रिपेयर होने के बाद ही हमें इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए छोड़ना चाहिए, जो कि हमें इनकॉर्पोरेशन करना चाहिए। इनकॉर्पोरेशन जो होता है पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर उसको गवर्नमेंट रेगुलेशन से लीगली जाकर देखना पड़ता है। What we have to do or not, that we have to find it. Who will work? How many persons will have to under the project? We have to find them. Okay. So इसके लिए हमें जब प्रिपरेशन होता है कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर बजटिंग एंड वी हैव टू इनकॉर्पोरेशन द पर्टिकुलर प्रपोजल ओनली. Okay. That is which will be the authorized by the head of the management. Okay, it will be authorized by the head of the management and उसका जो कुछ जो नेटवर्क टेक्निक्स होते हैं उसको भी देखना पड़ेगा। प्रोजेक्ट को जो कि टेक्निक्स यूज कर देते हैं पार्ट एंड द क्रिटिकल पाथ मेथड, ये सभी हमें अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा। अप्लाई करने के बाद ही हमें कितना कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, कितना मॉनिटराइज कर सकते हैं, उसे हमें देखकर जल्दी से इम्प्लीमेंट करना पड़ेगा। उसके बाद जाकर परफॉर्मेंस रिव्यू। परफॉर्मेंस रिव्यू में क्या होता है, जो द लास्ट स्टेज ऑफ द कैपिटल दैट इज बजटिंग प्रिपरेशन के दैट इज प्रोसेस में दैट इज वी हैव टू इवैल्यूएट द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट। इवैल्यूएशन करना पड़ता है, क्योंकि हमें यहाँ से भी देखो इवैल्यूएशन तो पहले इम्प्लीमेंट करने के बाद दैट इज एगर आवर प्रोजेक्ट जो कि हमें सैंक्शन किए, जो प्रपोजल हमें दिए, उस प्रपोजल में कितना हमें दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग, दैट इज परफॉर्मेंस कितना है, हमें उसे भी देखना चाहिए। इवैल्यूएशन हमें पास्ट दैट इज कॉम्पिटिशन से द पोस्ट कॉम्पिटिशन के बाद देखना चाहिए। कॉम्पिटिशन के बाद हमें देखना पड़ता है उसे ऑडिटर जो कि ऑडिट स्पेशल पर्सन्स दे आर दोज आर मेकिंग द ऑडिट and they are that is making a comparison with the actual expenditure. Okay, and they have what they have identifying either the budgeted one which they have and now which the expenditure is going to be, either it is a actual return or not, that we have to identify. From that only we can make a what that is investment with the anticipated what return. Unless we don't have any this various factors will not go to the capital budgeting process. Okay, my dear students, so this is the one of the one that is capital budget process. So listen here, these are the factors you already considered that we have already talked. That is the identification of the investment proposal, the screening the proposal and the evaluation of the various proposal, fixing priorities, and the final that is approval and the preparation of the capital. And so another when we are going to the discuss about the techniques or the methods and how to evaluate the capital budgeting, actually मैं थोड़ा hints दे रहा हूँ, ये next class में discuss कर सकूँगा, because हमें देखना चाहिए जो कि ट्रेडिशनल मेथड और दैट इज एक टाइम एडजस्टेड मेथड में देखना चाहिए। ओके, सो जो कि ट्रेडिशनल मेथड में हमें डिस्कस करना दैट इज पेबैक पीरियड मेथड, देन दैट इज अनदर improvement of the traditional approach to the payback period method, then another rate of return method. Okay, then in the discounted cash flow methods criterion, we have to, or the time adjusted method, we have to discuss about the net present value method, internal rate of returns, and the profitability index. So my dear students, lot of problems will become in this topic in the next part, and we have to identify that is how much it is paid, that is which method should be the good to us or not, that we have to find it. Okay, my dear. So students, after the process we have to discuss about the techniques of the methods. Just I am giving the hints. Okay, in these cases we have to discuss about various problems what we have to consider it. Okay. At this point, when we are discussing about the investmenting of the investment funds, when you have to, after accepting the proposals or after evaluation of the proposals, that is what happens after finding the heavy returns. So now it is the what happens, that is how to allocate the available resource with the help of the various criteria. Okay, whatever you have to discuss here, that is method of evaluating either the profitability of the capital investment proposal or not, that you have to. So it is a method, the techniques or evaluation of the capital budget that you have to start it. Okay, so students, listen, just I am giving the here it is a part 1, that is the two terms is discussed, that is it is belonging to only two. One is, that is, it is your, that is traditional method, and another, that is the time adjusted method, that is the time adjusted method. In the case of the time adjusted method and the traditional method, what we have to discuss it? In the case of, that is, we have to discuss the payback period method. Okay, and another, that is improvement to traditional to payback period methods, and that is another is, that is rate of return method. Okay, and here we will discuss about, that is what happened, another four coming, that is net present value method, net present value method, and another, that is internal rate of returns, and another, that is profitable index, profitability index. Okay, this is the fully a subject of, that is the full related to that of the mostly programmatic chapter. The techniques you have to find out so many problems is associated with that of the portion, and you have to identify, that is which steps, that is will carry on with the solutions. Okay, and here that is how these techniques, it is only that methods are there. Methods means here it is payback period method. Payback period method में ये ट्रेडिशनल मेथड जो कि कैपिटल बजटिंग का नेक्स्ट क्लास में डिस्कस कर सकता हूँ, और इसे हमें किस तरह की इम्प्रूवमेंट करना है इस पेबैक मेथड को, इसका इम्प्रूवमेंट स्टेप्स का, देन रेट ऑफ रिटर्न कितना रिटर्न आ सकता है उसको मेथड को हम डिस्कस करना पड़ेगा, देन टाइम एडजस्टेड मेथड में नेट प्रेजेंट वैल्यू मेथड क्या हमें देखना पड़ेगा, देन यू हैव टू गो ऑन बिकॉज विद द हेल्प ऑफ द problems and solutions you cannot understand these methods. Okay, all the things, some problems are there and associated the related services. I will go on to each and every problems, and I will also give some problems to you in order to solve. Okay. And also there is the internal rate of methods is also there, you have to find it, and that is the profitability index, how much it will be profitable or not, that you have to find it. Okay, my dear students, this is the class will continue. Next class will talk with much more things about these things. Okay, thank you, have a nice day and stay home, stay safe.